Step-by-step reasoning is about taking a complex problem and breaking it into manageable parts. It's the practical, real-world application of chain-of-thought prompting. Instead of asking the AI for an answer all at once, you tell it to work through the problem in a clear sequence of steps. This does two things. It guides the model toward better reasoning because each step builds on the last. And it makes the output easier for you to follow and check because you can see how the conclusion was reached. In this lesson, we'll look at how to structure steps, how to pick the right level of detail, how to ask the AI to show its work, and how to handle steps that depend on earlier results. Here's the basic framework in action on a debugging task. The prompt starts with the problem, users report the login button doesn't work, then asks the AI to approach it step by step. Step 1. Understand the symptom. What doesn't work actually mean? Step 2. Identify possible causes. Step 3. Prioritize which causes are most likely. Step 4. Suggest how to test each hypothesis. And Step 5. Recommend solutions based on the findings. Notice the shape here. You move from understanding to causes to investigation to a fix. Each numbered step gives the model a focused job, and together they walk it through a real debugging process instead of jumping straight to a guess. Steps can be organized in a few different ways depending on the task. For a process with a clear order, use sequential steps like gather requirements, design, implement, test, then deploy. For understanding a problem, use analytical steps, which is what you see on screen. Define the problem, gather information, analyze the data, form a hypothesis, then validate your conclusion. And for making a choice, use decision steps. List options, define criteria, evaluate each option, compare results, then make a recommendation. The pattern you pick should match the goal. Are you running a process, investigating something, or deciding between options? Choosing the right structure makes the AI's reasoning fit the actual job. Getting the granularity right matters a lot. If steps are too coarse, like analyze the problem then fix it, the AI doesn't get any real guidance. If steps are too fine, like open DevTools, click the console tab, look for red text, and 20 more, it's overwhelming and you've basically done the thinking for it. The sweet spot is steps that are actionable but not micromanaged. Look at this just right example for a bug. Reproduce the bug, check the browser console for errors, trace the click handler, verify the API response, then fix the identified issue. Each step is a meaningful unit of work the AI can actually carry out. Aim for that middle ground every time. Sometimes you want the reasoning visible, not just the answer. You can explicitly ask the AI to show its work. Take this ROI example. You give it the inputs, $10,000 spent, 500 leads, a 10% lead to customer conversion, and $500 average customer value. Then you ask it to show all calculations across steps. Step 1. Calculate customers acquired and show the math. Step 2. Calculate revenue generated. Step 3. Calculate ROI, showing the formula and the calculation. Step 4. Interpret what the result means. By requesting visible reasoning, you can verify each number instead of trusting a single figure. This is especially valuable for anything involving math or logic where a hidden mistake is easy to miss. Finally, some steps depend on the results of earlier ones, and you can make that dependency explicit. In this dataset example, step 1 is a data overview: what columns exist, how many rows, any missing values. Step 2 then says, based on step 1's findings, which columns need cleaning and how. Step 3 picks up after cleaning to look for patterns and correlations. And step 4, given those step 3 insights, asks what recommendations and further analysis follow. By naming the dependencies, you tell the AI to actually use what it found before, instead of treating each step in isolation. Well-structured steps like these guide the AI through complex reasoning systematically. Try this prompt yourself right now on the lesson page at FreeAcademy.ai using the interactive prompt playground or by pasting it into an AI assistant like ChatGPT or Claude, and watch how each step builds on the last.